In this quick video tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you on how to remove your guest from TikTok Live. So guys, without wasting much of your time, let's dive right into the video. So right here is the homepage on my TikTok app. At the bottom of the screen, you can see the plus icon. You need to go ahead and click on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. So when you do that, you need to scroll and click on live. You can see the live option. So right here, you need to go ahead and click on go live. So right here at the bottom of the screen, you're going to see where it says host and guest. So I'm going to go ahead and click on guest. So once you click on the guest icon, you can go ahead and accept an invitation or invite someone into your live just like this. So as you can see here, I've been able to invite this person to my live stream. So in order for you to actually remove this guest from your live stream, you need to go ahead and tap on the guest. Go ahead and tap on the guest just like this. So once you do that, looking here, there are several options here. You can see the option of disconnect. So you need to go ahead and click on that and click on the end. So when you click on end, you'd be able to remove this guest from your live stream. So this is how simple it is to remove a guest from your TikTok live stream. Hope you found this video helpful. Now hit the like button, subscribe and hit notification bell as well to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos like this. This is Tutorial for the channel. See you in the next one.